This is the new 2023 Subaru Rex. The Subaru Rex made its debut as a rear-engined K-car with rear-wheel drive in 1972, a second generation of the Subaru Rex, with front-mounted powertrain and forward, followed in 1981. Before ending production in 1992, the Japanese automaker converted the miniature car to the MK3 model in 1985 with supercharged engines. The Rex is back for 2023, but this time it's a rebadged Daihatsu, also sold as the Toyota Raize and Perodua Ativa. The subcompact crossover is much bigger than the three Subaru K-cars before it. The third-generation Rex measures 3,995 mm, 157.3 inches, in length, 1,695 mm, 66.7 inches, in width, and 1,620 mm, 63.8 inches, in height. Its wheelbase is 2,525 mm, 99.4 in. Although an all-wheel drive system is available for the Rocky, the Subaru model only has front-wheel drive. A powerful 1.2-liter gasoline engine with naturally aspirated combustion produces 87 horsepower, 64 kilowatts, and 113 newton-meters, 83 pounds-to-foot, of torque. The front axle receives power from the 3-pot engine through a continuously variable transmission. A stronger turbocharged 1.0-liter engine with 98 horsepower, 72 kilowatts, and 140 newton-meters, 100 pounds-to-foot, is also offered by Daihatsu for the Rocky, but it isn't offered for the Subaru Rex. Although the Toyota Raize and Daihatsu Rocky have slightly distinct aesthetics, the Subaru Rex really resembles a Daihatsu Rocky that has been rebadged. The only differences are the exterior and interior Subaru logos, as well as a slightly modified grille with new indents. There are two G and Z variations of the Subaru Rex. Both models use a front-wheel drive system and a WAV 1.2 liters 3-cylinder gasoline engine with naturally aspirated compression that produces 86 horsepower and 113 pound-feet of torque. The WLTC test cycle estimates the fuel consumption at 20.7 km/L. Inside you'll also find a 9-inch infotainment screen that is compatible with both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The gauge cluster is fully digital, which isn't what we can say for the climate controls as they still retain the rotary dials and buttons for air conditioning. Whether it's a matter of cost or practicality, we can't say why some minor changes weren't slapped into the Rex, but overall it still works.